If you want proof the US dollar's dominance is ending, this one's for you. The International Monetary Fund revealed that the dollar's share in central bank reserves declined in 2023 to its lowest in 25 years, while holdings of the Japanese yen rose. According to the International Monetary Fund's COFER data, it fell to 59.2% from 59.4%. This is the lowest since the last quarter of the previous year. The euro's share also saw a small drop, moving to 19.6% from 19.7%. In contrast, the Japanese yen's share increased from 5.3% to 5.5%. The percentages of the Chinese yuan and the British pound, Australian and Canadian dollars, and Swiss franc remained mostly unchanged. However, a category labeled other currencies rose to 3.9%, up from 3.6%. Historically, the dollar has been the preferred reserve currency for most of the world's central banks. It's valued for its stability and prominence in global markets, but its dominance has been slowly decreasing since the early 2000s. Back then, its share was over 70%. The dollar's leading role benefits the U.S. in several ways. It helps keep funding costs down and supports running budget deficits. This is because international trading partners invest their dollars in U.S. government bonds. Additionally, it aids American companies. The widespread use of the dollar in global trade, like for oil and commodities, often reduces borrowing costs for U.S. multinationals. One of the things that prompted this shift is the use of local currencies by BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, instead of the US dollar. This plan has been in motion since the beginning of 2023. In fact, in the first quarter of 2023, China's State Administration of Foreign Exchange, or SAFE, announced that China's official currency, the renminbi, surpassed the US dollar for the first time and became the dominant currency in China's own cross-border payments. We're learning the yuan was used in 48.4% of all cross-border transactions, while the dollar share declined to 46.7% from 48.6% a month earlier. According to Goldman Sachs research, the increase was mainly due to more active foreign trading of renminbi-dominated securities, cross-border renminbi payments related to portfolios investments, such as stock and bond investments. We can expect other currencies to emerge as BRICS has expanded. Iran, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Ethiopia, and the United Arab Emirates formally joined BRICS group of major emerging economies on January 1st of 2024, expanding the bloc's footprint in the global south and growing its economic and political clout on the world stage, establishing a real counterweight to the Western-dominated G7. In August, the bloc had announced that it would be admitting 6 new members, including Argentina. Goldman Sachs economist Maggie Wei thinks that the geopolitical uncertainties could potentially support the internationalization of China's currency if global investors and reserve managers decide to diversify their portfolios. In the near term, however, the unfavorable interest rate spread between China and major developed markets might lower investors' incentives for holding more renminbi assets. Buckle up, people. Once those dollars return home, we will crash big time. Make sure you revisit your portfolios and diversify.